Taking this right here, and I'm going to apply. This is my first time doing this thing right here. Ooh, ew, 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 ew. Yeah. Okay. Oh, is it supposed to be 2 in there? It's supposed to be 2. I thought it was just 1. At last. Don't mind me, you guys. I'm such an Aroko. I'm such a butch girl. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is okeowoiluyombo. Welcome to the family. Welcome back. Nagode, Kedu, Odima, to all my new subscribers. Welcome to the family, and to the old ones, welcome back. Anyway, so today I decided to do a highlight and contour. I realized I've never done such thing on my page before, so this is going to be my first time doing it, and I hope you guys like it as much as I enjoy creating this look for you guys. Okay, and what do you guys think of this look? What do you guys think? Do you like it? Do I look like an Indian? Indian, yeah, from where to where. Anyway, so let me not bore you guys. Let's get into this tutorial. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and give it a huge thumbs up. Comment below and share with your families. Okay, I'll see you all in my next video. Ciao. See ya later. Gotcha. It's been long that I did that. Alright, bye. Hi guys, how is everybody doing? So today we're going to be doing how to highlight and contour. So this is something that we wanted to do for a very long time, but yeah, I guess this is the time, you know. Alright, so let's go here. How is everybody doing? It's a beautiful day in the hotel, even though I haven't stepped out of the house since morning. I'm going to be taking my Becca Evermatte Flawless Priming Perfector. I'm going to use that to prime my face. So this is good for oily skin. If you have oily skin, what is this? Why is stuck on my face? See, that is why you don't use what you're not used to. Did you guys see that? Alright, so this, I'm going to be taking my Elegant Luminous Glow. I'm going to apply that to give it some glow on my face. Guys, what I'm actually doing is showing you the basic things that you need to do for your face. So I'm taking my this is my Professional Kiss New York Pro Touch Draw Foundation. That's in shade Caramel. Taking my blending brush, I'm going to blend all that together. So I'm going to be taking my Elegant Pro Concealer in Fun. I'm going to use that to highlight, and I'll be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit to do my contour. I'm going to start with my under eyes, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my cupid bow. And keep in mind, everybody's face is different. We have oblong face, we have the round face. You just have to know your face and to be able to know where to highlight and contour. So my face, you know, my face is over. I have an over face. So I'm going to highlight my forehead. nose area. What I'm doing now is I'm blending it. One thing I also like to do is I take my blending brush and I use that to blend everything all together. Alright fam, so on a normal day I use my Makeup Revolution luxury baking powder, and this is the banana powder. On a normal day this is what I use, but for today I'm going to be using my Sasha buttercup setting powder in banana. I'm going to use that to set the places that I highlighted. So I'm going to use my blending tool. I'm going to use that to set it on the places that I highlighted. So I'm going to be using my MAC Studio Fix. This is their NW58. I'm going to use that to contour my cheekbone, the places that I contour. So if you're going to contour, soak in your chin like this. You see the area that you soaked in, that part up to the top of your hair is your contour section. Up to the side, the upper side of your face is your contour section. Right there, you see that part that was like soaked in right there, that's your contour area. Then your forehead, the bridge of your nose, the side of your chin, those are your contour areas. So I'm going to contour my face now. So while you're applying your contour, make sure you're sweeping out, not in. Sweep it out. And be gentle with the brush when applying your contour. So what is gonna happen next is I'm gonna do the rest of my face, not my face, the rest of my eyes, my eyebrow, my eyelid, apply to bring everything. Then I'll come back and finish up with my face. Okay, so I'm back. As you guys can see, I've done my brows and my eyelid with my lashes. So I'm going to clean up the setting powder. We're done baking. To use that to dust off the excess powder. So one thing that I like to do when I'm applying my powder is that I like to smile. Like this, you smile. So that will be able to give you the enablement to like blend out the contour and the highlight together. So I'm going to take my CoverGirl Queen Collection Ebony Bronze. I'm going to use that to bronze my cheek. So if you're doing that, also make sure you're smiling and stay on the side, on the areas that you contoured. This is just to give it color, to bring everything back to normal. So I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me translucent powder. This is the number 100. I'm going to use that to, you know, to define the highlight. Alright guys, so this is the finished look and I hope you guys liked it. So I decided to finish up with my face and this is what I came up with, and yeah, so I'll see you all in my next video, okay? So please don't forget to subscribe, okay, and hit the thumbs up button, comment below and share with your friends. Until next time, I'll see you all in my next video. Peace out. Ciao. Ciao, ciao, ciao.